China，我知道。
Made in China, yeah.
Made in China，问题是。
I was insecure when I met you, take me to different levels, but couldn't walk away, start dancing up with the devil. Try my game good, but never did get a medal. Digging up the past, I'm treacherous with the shovel, treacherous with my ways, treacherous with my thoughts. Trying to maintain, but often it throw me off. When times get hard, be needing you to be soft. Let's get it.
So we have come to Canton Fair again because phase 2 में पहले में कभी आया नहीं. So I was very intrigued कि इसमें होता क्या है. So I thought कि एक दिन बचा है मेरे travel में, so why don't I visit this Canton Fair in phase 2, because you never know what you find which is sellable, which can be your future business or something like that. So it's better to just explore, just shop, something like that. So time पे आ गए और let's go inside. और आज काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा भाई, तो आप भी चलिए मेरे साथ. आज काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा, कुछ नई नई चीज़ देखने को मिलेंगी, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड इसलिए क्योंकि पहले कभी नहीं आया इस कैंटन फेयर में फेज़ 2 में खासकर. तो मुझे नहीं मालूम, मैं आई डोंट हैव एन एक्सपेक्टेशन कि व्हाट आई एम गोना फाइंड. सो लेट्स गो. पूरी लाइन, शुक्र है हमारे पास ये है बैज, वरना यार बैज लेने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. जब पहली बार आया था ना, तो इट टुक मी एटलीस्ट 2 hours टू गेट मी द बैज, बट नाउ ऑल इज़ फाइन.
Don't need you to piss me off. I need love, love. So what's up, love? Is this offering I bring? Still
तो आके काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. थोड़ा डिटेल लेते हैं आके, कहाँ से एग्जीबिशन स्टार्ट है, कौन सा एरिया किन चीज़ों के लिए है, ताकि थोड़ा एक्सेस हमारे लिए इजी हो जाएगा ना. अब ये देखते हैं बुकलेट. मैं हर बार भूल जाता हूँ जब जाता हूँ कि कौन से कहाँ है. हमें जाना है पहले जाना है हमको बी में फर्नीचर 10.2 और आ गई है 10.2 ग्रे एरिया 10.2 10.3 उसके ऊपर की तरफ. चलो चलते हैं.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers.
और टिप टॉप.
This is acidic, so I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like.
Hello.
Outdoor furniture.
This is outdoor furniture, right?
Yes.
This is all plastic, right? Colors.
Yes. You want take it? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
No, not
No
this.
need. Yes.
No,
you
no,
only
need.
check.
Yeah. So can you give me your name card
Yes.
and
My name card. And your WeChat and send your e-catalog.
yeah, just I have the
Name card you have.
I have the
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp
Okay. Your name.
for us.
F-A-R-A-Z. F-A-R-A-Z. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Can I have the catalog?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Keep contact.
Yeah, I'll keep contact.
Damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like go get it. I got.
Metal furniture. Have a
Is
look.
this metal?
Yeah, all metal.
Nice.
And all kiddie structure. And for the surface, we use environmentally friendly electrostatic powder coating.
Okay.
Yeah, any color you want, not limited in Pantone or Rohr. You can
So
draw-
this is all adjustable.
yeah, adjustable, height adjustable. Yeah, look,
Oh.
height
Okay.
adjustable.
Okay, like this and
Yeah. It's a hand road, yeah, for clothes. If clothes is too, you can move this to this.
有那个，你不是很
后面
very nice. Can I have your catalog and
Of course.
name
This is my
card?
business card.
Okay, can you just staple?
It's
I don't do business right now, but in future.
Yeah, maybe we can become long-term partner.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the quality very much. Okay.
And we have our e-catalog. May I add your WeChat or WhatsApp?
I have the WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye bye. Yeah, शानदार quality है.
camera.
Right. No.
Yes.
This is something which is my category of company like this. I remember last time मैंने इनका कैटलॉग लिया था और इस बार और ले लेते हैं, फिर क्या करें, कुछ अपडेटेड तो हो ही गया होगा ना. This is nice, very nice. So even if I want to buy only one, can I do that?
Oh, sorry.
If I want to buy online only one unit for home, so possible?
One piece. If we have stock, it's okay.
This is very nice. We really need to have this at home. Silent spot. वाह यार, ऊपर हवा भी है. बिल्कुल साइलेंस, बिल्कुल साइलेंस. नाइस. एक तो लेना पड़ेगा भाई घर के लिए, बच्चों के शोर से बचने के लिए. How do it get air inside?
It's a ventilation system.
Ah, okay. Can I get your catalog?
Yeah. The pod.
Yeah, the pod, yes. Hello. So is this wood or like plastic or what it is? Is it wood or plastic?
PP with melamine.
Okay.
You're making video?
Yeah. So this is not wood? MDF. This is really nice. Wood? Amazing. इनका तो कार्ड लेना पड़ेगा.
Getting they feeling it dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Spinning in, I'ma stand out.
Can I have your catalog and name card?
And I have your name card, so I can send you the account.
So still now it's all going good. फर्नीचर काफ़ी अच्छा है. कुछ मतलब कुछ नया देखने को मिलता है ना, तो मज़ा आता है जो आपने पहले कम एक्सपीरियंस किया हो. बट इट्स रियली गुड. कुछ से नंबर्स भी लिए हैं. मे बी यू नेवर नो यार, फ्यूचर में कि कल मन करे बिजनेस करने का तो आप कर लोगे ना. आप पे सोर्सेज होने चाहिए. आज संडे है ना, छुट्टी है, तभी आज कोई कॉल नहीं हो रहा.
Need lines I done pent down, vibes I done sent out. But we in here, you dig. I'll up the market till they come red carpet the kids. Success still the target. Soon I'll be crossing that bridge, but can't bring everybody.
Hi. Can I have your catalog and name card?
Yes.
And this is my name card. Do you have the catalog?
Yeah. Physical one?
Yeah. Can you give me?
With me, family only. I got some people think I owe a favor, barely know me. That's why my focus on the road.
Catalog and name card. ये अच्छी है कुर्सी. अगर अपना कैफ़े बनाएंगे तो उसके लिए चाहिए होंगे. सो फर्नीचर से तो फ्री हो गए. अभी अब हम लोग देखते हैं और क्या आप देख सकते हैं. मेरे हिसाब से फर्नीचर से तो मैं सारा कवर अप कर लिया. ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है नहीं उसमें अब जाने की. तो इट्स बेटर के कुछ और नया देखते हैं और फिर निकलते हैं अपने वापस टूवर्ड्स शेंजन.
It's all I know. I see them sticking close to play the wall and watch my growth. Cause I got something they never had. So get on the beat and I need a helipad. I float, I'm fly, you know where I'm from.
आज गर्मी ज़्यादा है. कभी हवा चलती है तो ठीक लगता है, बाकी है गर्मी अच्छी. चलते हैं उस तरफ.
So it comes as no surprise. I diss out with a mean vernacular, dream spectacular. I keep a queen and passenger, FL capital Y. Anywhere I am, jam, that's for sure. Turn me on.
So अभी हम आ गए हैं डी हॉल में और यहाँ पे कुछ मेरे हाल तो कुछ अच्छा ही लगा हुआ है. मैं दिखाता हूँ क्या लगा हुआ है. ये सब चीज़ें हैं. होम डेकोरेशन, गिफ्ट्स एंड प्रीमियम्स, क्लॉक्स एंड वॉचेस. Thank you.
Not in Italy, no.
Excuse me, how much is this?
Like this setup?
Yeah. All of this cost total. I have this one.
Round-
use my Phone 6 Pro.
No, it's
but this
nice.
was,
Yeah, this is for the
high performance.
yeah. So it costs around 2,000 USD whole.
Oh,
Yeah,
expensive but good. Yes.
yeah,
Benefit for it. Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. No, this is also nice, the small one.
Wait. It's not. Oh my God. Confirm picture. What do you about me?
Professional meat sheets.
Wait.
So you also do some sort of blogging, or
Yes.
or for yourself only?
Vlogging, yeah.
Great.
Yes. Wait.
It's good. It has one. It has one more thing. You wanna see? Now you can just move around anywhere. It will follow.
Follow.
Yeah.
Yes.
The camera will follow.
Follow me.
Yeah. I don't have to move.
I like. Maybe.
Yeah. Thank you. So, where do you put your videos?
I have a TikTok.
Ah,
I have
okay.
in YouTube my channel.
Uh-huh.
Okay. WeChat.
Clocks, watches, and optical instruments. Let's see. So here we are, number 20. देखते हैं what we can find. This is watches. Clocks, watches, and optical instruments. Let's see. ये है क्या? So this is for clocks. Okay.
That's why I came out stepping. I can't be doing things regular for you. I want the magic to last. I know how time try and ruin things.
को देख क्या लगा था एवेंजर मूवी देखी है उनका जो कंपाउंड होता है
It get repetitive, got you tempted to doing things. I can't get reckless without you, wouldn't be no music thing. Plus,
This is supposed to be gifts and premiums. Let's see what we can find in gifts and premiums.
remember we made promises way back then, and I still owe that 5-bed house with 2-3 kids. We got a fairy tale plan that's gonna change up the order they sort the mail in.
Yes, it does.
Plus, I know loyalty not as valued as what it was. We not.
This is interesting. So, पूरा एग्जीबिशन ख़त्म. अभी चलते हैं बैक टू शेंजन बाय मेट्रो. ओके चलो बाय.
Plus, I know loyalty not as valued as what it was. We not influenced by what they do, cause it's only us. I still hear poetry when I'm looking into them eyes. I still get lost in the thought of you with so much to find. And yeah, you know you fine, but